people. So this might seem amusing that I'm speaking of angel healing in these short 1 minute videos, but it is important because these days, if you notice, even on WhatsApp, if the kind of messages one gets, videos, if they just happen to be 6 minutes or 7 minutes long, 6 and 7 minutes is not too long, yeah, but still, personally, I don't click on it, or I just watch it for the first 30 seconds, 1 minute. If I like it, then I continue. Otherwise, these long videos, sometimes we don't even open them. So that's why what I've understood about these angels is that they try and reach out to us in the medium that we will accept them the easiest. I mean, like literally, you can have an angel pop up in your WhatsApp forwards. It's like that because I used to have this professor in college. He was from Cambridge University and very intellectual gentleman. So he would say it's like the world, the universe is like a book. You only need know you only need to know how to read it. So that also holds true with regard to angel healing. So again, I've crossed 1 minute, but I'm just enjoying these short capsules of wisdom. So, on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.